Hey, Eric from Pew Pew Tactical, here to do a field strip, disassembly, and reassembly of the Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0. All right, now that we got that name out of the way, let's make sure it is unloaded. We'll press the magazine release button here, and we'll rack the slide back to double check that the chamber is clear as well. All right, now for the M&P series, you're gonna have to lock back the slide. So what that means is pull back the slide and press up on the slide lock button. You'll kind of see it latches up over there, and you can let go. Now you're gonna have to look for this kind of small sear disconnector lever over here. I can use my pinky, otherwise you can use some kind of little tool to move it down. See, now it's down. Now you can go to the lever here. You're gonna turn it clockwise to about the 6, 7 o'clock position. And now you can hold the slide and let this go. I like to pull it back a little bit to release tension. And the slide will slowly slide off. Now we can leave this alone, but here you can see that little lever. We'll leave that in the down position. Let's take a look at the recoil spring. We're gonna press down here and out. That comes out nicely. Pay attention to kind of the direction, and we're gonna lift out the barrel. Lift it out like that. That does it for the quick field strip. Now let's reassemble. Grab your slide and your barrel, insert the barrel down first into a larger hole, and you can slowly move it back until it locks in place pretty snug. Now grab your recoil assembly, and you can see the end that's hexagonal will go in first into this space. Now get that in there. Now you're gonna press this back until it kind of goes into that crevice. Now you can see it fits nicely there. Now we're gonna match up the slide in the frame. So we're gonna try to match that up with the rails here. Perfect. All right, we're gonna lock the slide back. So let's move it back while pressing up on this lever. And here you can manually move that kind of back, or later you can just insert a magazine. It'll take care of itself. Now here, we're gonna move the lever back here. And we're pretty much done. Let's insert the magazine, and we can do a test fire. Double check, chamber is empty. Pull the trigger, and click. Now let's let it reset and try again. That does it for the quick field strip, disassembly, and reassembly of the Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0. Please give us a thumbs up if that helped out, and also check the links below for more info.